In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but more precisely, faute de. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So this lesson is about faute de, and the preposition faute de can be translated into due to lack of, for lack of, in the absence of, and because of the absence of in English. So we will see 4 examples with faute de. Faute de temps, je n'ai pas pu terminer le projet. Faute de temps, je n'ai pas pu terminer le projet. Il a raté le bus faute de se réveiller à temps. Il a raté le bus faute de se réveiller à temps. Faute de preuve, l'accusé a été relâché. Faute de preuve, l'accusé a été relâché. Nous devrons annuler la sortie faute de participants. Nous devrons annuler la sortie faute de participants.